Did you know that most Americans believe saving a little money here and there is the key to getting rich? Well, I'm here to tell you that's only a small part of the story. The real secret isn't just about how much you earn, it's about what you do with your money. Today, we are going to dive deep into the 5 essential habits that truly separate the wealthy from everyone else. These aren't complicated theories, but practical everyday actions you can start right now to build serious wealth. So if you're ready to transform your financial future, stick around. First up, and this is a big one, the rich invest before they spend. Think about it. What does the average person do when they get their paycheck? They pay bills, cover their rent or mortgage, buy groceries, and then, if there's anything left, they might save it. The wealthy flip this script completely. It's a mindset shift called paying yourself first. Before a single dollar goes to bills or luxuries, they allocate a portion of their income to investments. This could be stocks, ETFs, real estate, or maxing out their retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. This single habit ensures their money is constantly working for them, generating more money through the power of compounding. It's not about what's left over, it's about prioritizing your future wealth from the very first dollar you earn. The second habit is something many people struggle with: avoiding lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, a promotion, or a bonus. What's the first instinct? Upgrade your life, right? A fancier car, a bigger apartment, more expensive dinners. This is what keeps most people on a financial treadmill, never really getting ahead. The rich, however, are masters of resisting this temptation. When their income increases, they don't automatically increase their spending to match. Instead, they see that extra income as fuel for their investments. They maintain their current lifestyle, or only upgrade it modestly, and funnel the difference directly into their wealth-building machine. They understand that a new luxury car depreciates the moment you drive it off the lot, but an investment can grow exponentially over time. It's about delayed gratification for long-term financial freedom. Now let's talk about habit number 3. They track every single dollar. I know the word budgeting can sound boring, restrictive, or just plain tedious, but the wealthy don't see it that way. They see it as power. They know exactly where their money is coming from and where it's going. This isn't about pinching pennies or depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. It's about being intentional. By tracking your spending, you can identify leaks in your finances, areas where you're mindlessly spending money that could be better used for your investments. Modern apps and tools make this easier than ever. When you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you gain control. You can make conscious decisions that align with your financial goals instead of wondering where all your money went at the end of the month. Knowledge is power, and knowing your numbers is the first step to mastering your money. Habit number 4 is crucial in today's economy: creating multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck from a 9-to-5 job is one of the riskiest financial strategies you can have. Think about it. If you lose that job, your income drops to zero overnight. The wealthy understand this risk and actively work to diversify their income. This doesn't mean working 3 jobs until you burn out. It's about being strategic. Your primary income from your job is just the start. They build other streams, such as dividend income from stocks, rental income from real estate, or earnings from a side hustle they're passionate about. In the digital age, the possibilities are endless. Starting an online business, freelancing, creating content, or even using AI tools to create passive income. Each additional stream not only provides a safety net, but also dramatically accelerates your ability to save and invest, putting your wealth building on the fast track. Finally, we arrive at habit number 5, which might be the most powerful of all. They are obsessed with learning. The rich understand that financial literacy is an asset that compounds even faster than money. They read books on investing, economics, and personal development. They listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and stay on top of market trends. They're not just consumers of information, they are lifelong students of wealth. The world is constantly changing, and what worked financially 10 years ago might not work today. By continuously educating themselves, they can adapt, spot new opportunities, and avoid costly mistakes. This commitment to self-education is the foundation upon which all other wealth-building habits are built. It's the engine that drives smart financial decisions. So, let's do a quick recap. The 5 habits that make you rich are: 1. Invest before you spend. 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 3. Track every dollar you make. 4. Create multiple streams of income. And 5. Never stop learning. These aren't secrets reserved for the 1%. They are actionable strategies that anyone, including you, can start implementing today. It won't happen overnight, but by consistently applying these habits, you will build a strong financial foundation and watch your wealth grow over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more practical tips and strategies to build your wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which habit are you going to start working on first? See you in the next video.